Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export to PDF in Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Lucidchart, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting a document to PDF in Lucidchart is a straightforward that allows you to share or print your diagrams while preserving their format. Okay? Because PDFs can be opened on virtually any device and operating system without the need for special software, ensuring that your diagrams are accessible to all recipients, especially for working with a team or multiple freelancers or collaborators, maybe even your client. And for you to be able to export it to PDF, I need you to hover to the file option at the upper left corner. You see, there should be an option that says export. Now you have multiple options here, but we're going to choose PDF. Now, the thing is, if you see this pop-up window, don't worry about it. It's just a little bit of information about if you're concerned about others making changes to your document, you can invite them to view and leave comments on your document for free. All right, so you have to copy that or put in the email comma separated. But if you don't want to do that, maybe later, click on done. It would be forwarded here in this option. All right, so you have obviously we're choosing the PDF for this. But if you change your mind, you might want to go for a different file format. They have the PNG, JPEG, SVG, and a lot more. You can also have the option to show individual layers, especially for working with multiple layers for that specific document. All right. You have an option for the full canvas, crop to content. You see that one? So that you have like, for example, if you're working for the photo, you might want to get some margin or border within the document. You can also choose the custom crop. That's going to be up to you. If you have a technical expertise or you have exact measurement of width, you might want to do with that. But I'm going to click on cancel because we're not doing that today. You can also add include page fill. All right, so it's up to you. But if you want what you wanted here, you also have an option to the advanced wherein you can click the accessible PDF, and when you click that option here, what will happen is it would be forwarded here on this section. You can have like a different semi sub layers if you treat it that way. All right, you can go to the swim lane, user image, connector or connecting, how to export, and the logo, Lucidchart. So I think these are like individual files within the PDF that you are sending. All right, so go back again to the workspace if you wanted. So we click that. And after doing so, all I'm going to do is click on download. All right. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to a generating file and you have to save it to the local directory. All right. After that, if in case you are having or trouble exporting the PDF to your Lucidchart account or encountering any issues along the way, just contact the Lucidchart support team and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the exporting PDF problems on your Lucidchart account. All right. Thank you for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all of the latest content. I'll see you in the next guide.